Hi, let me start with the question first. It is possible to use the Linux commands or Linux applications inside the Nexus devices switches? Probably yes, because with the Nexus devices 9K, the new operating system, we can do that. My name is Dari Khalid, and I will be with you today with this small tutorials to talking about this subject: how to use the Linux command and especially Tcpdumps with the Nexus devices. For the troubleshooting perspective, using TCPdumps, this is the tools we can capture any interface inside that device, and we can analyze the traffic for the capturing, and after that maybe and probably can discover what the problem and what the issue deal with the interface. So let's get started with this lab. I need in this lab first GNS3 VM. Because normal GNS3 does not support to deal or simulate the Nexus 9K. So we need to install the GNS3 VM, and there is a lot of tutorials in YouTube about that, and we can learn about that. Is very easy. Then second, I need to download any operating system in order to just issue the ping command from this computer to the Nexus devices. So I use that one, Firefox, or you can use any Docker. There is a lot of operating system. Even you can use Windows as well. With the new GNS3, there is an option they call NAT, Network Address Translation NATing option. This one helps you to connect with the internet with GNS3. And this NAT also provides you DHCP server and provide you IP. This will be used to distribute or deploy IP address to that guy in order to get the IP. And the range for the IP for that DHCP or for the NAT 192.168.122. Whatever. So now I start to do the connection. A normal switch, you can just select from here the Ethernet switch. So I connected the Ethernet switch here with the NAT first. Then after that as well, switch another port with the station or computer or Firefox. Then I go to the E11. So I start with the Firefox first, right click start, then it's supposed to get IP from the NAT from the DHCP consider, or this is represent the DHCP server. So right click console, you can see the computer, it is, or the Firefox computer or container now is booting. So after that, I will just issue ifconfig in order to check there is any IP dedicated to this computer. Okay, ifconfig. Let me go here, ifconfig. So in ifconfig, you can see the IP address for this guy 192.168.122.223. So this computer, it is 192.168.122.223. Perfect. So I go to the 9K. I already start with the 9K here, so I just say no, I don't need the security password standard. Yeah, I need to put in the password, enter the password for the admin user, and be careful, they cannot accept any password. You have to put it some complexity password. Perfect. Now, do you want to go to the basic configuration dialog? No. Okay, they asked me for a credential. I just put it admin, put it the password as well. Perfect. Now I can access to the Nexus 9K. I say config t interface E1/1. I just say now here no switch port. This interface no layer 2 anymore, is moving to layer 3. So I can put it IP address now 192.168.122. Wherever. I can just put it 10. So you can put it /24. It's much more easy. I guess just no space here. Perfect. And just say no shutdown. Let me try if I can do or send ICMP message ping to 192.168.122.223, the machine over there, the Firefox. Perfect. I have a connection here. Now from Firefox, can I access as well to the computer? Also, I can do ping 192.168.122.10. Just now the Nexus switch is perfect. I can access from the Firefox. Perfect. Now I keep going to this ping because I will test the interface. I will capture the interface as well. So I keep that ping work. So I just go here, config T. I start to do the features. The features in order to install the Linux or turn on the features for the Linux inside the Nexus devices. The features is they call bash shell. Enter. Perfect. After that I say exit. From here I just say run bash. Okay, run bash. Now I'm exactly now as a Linux operating system. As you can see, I can just say who AMI, which is mean who I am command. So you can see I'm administrator. I can jump into the root privilege. So from sudo root, enter, then I just try again the command they call HOAMI, who I am. So you can see I'm root. Now can I mean tested some command for Linux and it implemented here? Yes, of course. ifconfig. This is the very important command. You can see I can see all the interfaces for that box, and I can see ifconfig e. Let me see how the Ethernet is or how the Ethernet 1/1. You can see 1-1. So I can say ifconfig this guy. They can show me the interface information here, the details for this interface. So I can just say like again, you can compare. There is a traffic 511, 519, which is mean the traffic is increase here, of course, because the ping is still going from the Firefox machine. Perfect. Now how to turn on the Tcpdump? So I just simply say Tcpdump, then minus capital A space minus I interface. Then I just select the interface. I need to capturing this guy, what going on to this interface. Just enter here. After I just hit enter, you can see all the traffic in front of me. There is a ping, or this is the reply. This is my IP, and this is the machine to ping to me. And you can see the IP address for the Firefox here 223, and this is the ICMP traffic, of course, because I didn't hear ping. This is really very important thing. If you deal with the Nexus devices before, the capturing for a specific interface is not that much easy because you need to deal with the supervisor, and we can export the capturing, the analysis. So it's not that much easy. But now with this tool, with the bash shell, you can monitoring any traffic, or you can monitoring any interface, like simple as you can see here from the Nexus 9K. Of course, if you want to stop the capturing, it's just Control-C. The capture will be interrupt, then just exit to time, because you was the admin, then root. Then after that, I go back to my switch to the Nexus devices, and you can see. I hope this information has helped you to learn something, with the Nexus devices, in order to deal with your troubleshooting in a daily basis with your Nexus devices.